What are important things to keep in mind when hiring an attorney for a complex personal injury case? Attorney Stuart Casper explains that people should know and understand that once they hired a lawyer, it would not be forever. I get calls from a number of people who are into a case with a lawyer who was in over their head, and this is something I see quite often in brain injury litigation. It can be very difficult to pick up the pieces and get things done correctly after a lot of time has passed because the opportunity to gather necessary information would often be lost, and the opportunity would be lost to get patients or people who have suffered the injury into the hands of the right healthcare specialist. Time could also be lost within a scheduling order to get things done before the case had to go to trial. If someone is currently being represented by an attorney and there was a lack of confidence in what was transpiring, or things did not seem or sound right, then they could always get a second opinion. In some situations, the person could find a capable lawyer who is willing to get involved in taking over a file and then trying to make the best of what might not be an ideal situation. In my practice, I often get calls from people who have just lost confidence in their representation. When a case is transferred in the middle of the process, there are systems in place for compensating the first lawyer and division of the attorney's fees that are earned. It generally would not cost any more to switch lawyers, although there may be additional expenses incurred because I often prepare cases in ways that are not generally employed by other lawyers with less experience in that area. I currently have several of these cases in my office. It can be very difficult to take over a case when it is in midstream, so I am always looking to do the best I can for someone making that call. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Stuart Casper in Stamford, Connecticut at 203-325-8600 or visit his website at www.casperdetoledo.com.